So this is Jacob Zuma. No. Isingisi siyeyisa. Ngicela ukuthi ngiqale phansi. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngomkhulu uJacob Zuma. I-Head of Intelligence ye-ANC, i-Deputy Secretary General ye-ANC, i-former Minister of Home Affairs, i-Deputy President ye-South Africa from 1999 kuze kube u-2005. But umkhulu uJacob Zuma unfortunately had a problem. Umlando wa Mr. Jacob Zuma, umlando wamkhulu Zuma uqala from way back, besalwa against the apartheid government, besalwa against amabhunu nabelungu ukuthi bayeke ukucindezela abantu abamnyama. Eventually abelungu namabhunu baphuma from ipower, kwangena umkhulu uMandela, and then umkhulu uMandela ngokuhamba kwesikhathi wayeka ube president, kwangena umkhulu uThabo Mbeki, and then umkhulu uThabo Mbeki wa-appointa or wakhetha uMr. Jacob Zuma, umkhulu uZuma ukuthi abe deputy president. Baphatha kwahamba isikhathi, and then umkhulu uThabo Mbeki wayeka naye, and that's when the time sokuthi umkhulu uJacob Zuma abe president. Yilapho khona kwaqala ukulunga izinto eSouth Africa. Unlike abanye president, the first thing umkhulu uZuma ayenza the time bemkhetha ukuthi uzoba umholi wesizwe, uzoba ngupresident, wafuna ukuthuthukisa umuntu omnyama. uJacob Zuma waqala i-IDP project. Le project, it is an infrastructure development project. La khona wakhipha imali engango-20 billion yaya towards ekwakheni imigaqo, yaya towards ekulungiseni ojaji betimela, yaya towards ekwakheleni abantu abahluphekayo imizi, ngoba wengafuni ukuthi kube khona umuntu omnyama ohlala kumuzi ongekho right. Loyo 20 billion wavula amathuba omsebenzi amaningi for abantu abamnyama, waxosha ikati eziko for imndeni eminingi. Into ebaluleke kakhulu ekwabe yona eba usizo ayenza omkhulu uJacob Zuma wazokwenza sure ukuthi imali yeqolo iyakhuphuka ngo-50 rand every year. That means imndeni nomndeni yayiba khona imali abebethola ekupheleni kwenyanga ukuze bakwazi ukuthenga ukudla, whether kukhona ilunga lomndeni lisebenzayo noma